coverage by Landry. Ariza dropped down. Kobe! Oh! 7 to shoot. Kawhi makes his move. Oh!
Wow. Now Simmons in transition. What a pass to Embiid! My goodness!
45 remaining. Tatum
Drives down and throws it down! Wow!
Here comes George back to Stephens. 17 for 39. What a move by Rose. Oh! Yes! The man that's been tutored and mentored.
Oh, Miles Turner!
Side to Wiggins. Goes by
A small perimeter guy.
Oh, Gary Payton!
Two starters. Oh, what a move. What a spin and what a dunk. Strong first half.
Very strong! Here's Morant, bodies full!
Here's Harden with the drive.
Season. Leonard gets the steal, 3-on-1. Kawhi.
Wiggins still looking for his first field goal.